SmallRig 5953, the HawkLock quick release half cage. This is for a Canon R6 Mark III, but I think it works on other cameras as well from Canon, because the R6 Mark III has the same body as a few other models. Here's 1/4 20 on the bottom that's already screwed in, not gonna fall out. Here is the included tool that's magnetized to the bottom. This is Arca-Swiss compatible. It looks like one solid piece and it's not detachable. This piece does look detachable. It's attached right there. It's a very thin NATO reel piece. 2 1/4-20s, like an airy mount, I think, and then a 3/8 with a 1/4-20 adapter. This side you have a cold shoe. Here's where you put a camera strap. Here it looks like an additional lock that attaches to the camera strap of the camera. Then on the left side, it does look like it's NATO compatible, but just in this section up here. Here it's gripping material on the bottom and then a little bit of grip material right on the top. So let's apply this to the camera. Like that. Interesting how that goes in like that, right? So you still have button access to the button here and then the release here, although it is quite tight against the body. When you hit the lens release, I can see that might be a problem for some people. So first impressions is I don't really like how much room there is on this side of the cage. That is an interesting way to connect it. And I wonder if, because SmallRig was trying to make this compatible with multiple Canon bodies and not specifically for the R6 Mark III, that they had to compromise a little bit on the sides here, which this is a personal preference, but I don't like when there's that many gaps. I like a cage that's closer to the camera body. So you have full battery door access. You can still connect any hot shoe accessories because that does not interfere with the hot shoe at all. It does protrude from the top and the side here, but you know, when you have a lens, that's usually not a problem. On the hand grip side, you can see the metal that goes all the way down right against the lens here. It doesn't interfere with my grip, but if you have bigger hands, this could be an issue where this metal part digs into your fingernails, which might be annoying. Full access to all the ports, no problem with the LCD screen rotating. I have just this top handle accessory. Let's just see if that works on this side. This is just a test. Obviously, I'm not gonna have the handle on the left side like this, but I just wanted to see, yep, NATO rail. That's locked in there. So video shooters are gonna use top handles more than stills shooters. All right. Here's a Canon C50, which is very similar with the sensor with the R6 Mark III. I have both of them. The C50 I have in another SmallRig cage. This isn't the half cage. They don't make a half cage. This is the full cage minus the top, because I do put the XLR handle on here. So if you were curious about how both of these look like with their respective SmallRig cages, you can see the size differences. Also, you can see what I mean by having a cage that sits closer to the vest. You can see with the C50 here, this is what I like. When they make a cage in the exact specifications of the camera, no gaps, tight to the body, it looks aesthetically better to me versus a cage that they make for multiple camera bodies. And yeah, it looks a little off, but there you go.